Coming to sequela. Sequela means late effect. That you should understand. What is late effect? Late effect is a residual effect or the condition produced as a result of a previous disease or injury. We say that as a residual. Residual means what? A condition that has occurred, right? Because of some previous injury or diseases. Say for instance, now I have seen a patient who has come for a infertility treatment. And for that infertility, if you see, the actual cause is a tubal occlusion. And why she had an occlusion of a fallopian tubes? Because she had a history of tuberculosis. Tuberculosis was actually a history, right, problem. But now she has developed occlusion and the result is the residual effect is infertility. How do you code it? When you have a sequela or a late complication, how do you code it? Always understand the late effect code should come late. Late means what? Secondary. So now the actual problem is late effect of tuberculosis. That's the actual problem. Because infertility, tubal occlusion, it's because of a late effect of tuberculosis. So the rule is like, keep in mind, late effect code comes late. That means what? It should be sequence secondary or tertiary, late. So the first code should be, what is the problem now? Infertility. Or infertility is because of tubal occlusion. So the treatment that she is taking is for not for occlusion but for infertility. So infertility, tubal occlusion and then late effect of tuberculosis. So this is how the coding should be.